Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Today we're here at Sheraton Vistana Villages getting ready to check out a small one-bedroom villa. In fact, they just call this the one-bedroom standard. It's the smallest villa here at the resort, and I want to actually thank a viewer for being able to bring you this villa tour because they actually had some leftover star options that were going to expire at the end of 2023. So they were able to let me use those and stay here for a couple of nights and show you what this villa looks like here in Amelia. And we'll take a look at it. Coming right up. Okay, so when we first go into the villa here, right in front of the entryway door, you actually have, behind this door, well, that's where you're gonna find the in-room laundry. So washer and dryer here, definitely handy to have, even in these small one-bedroom villas. Now let's head in and we'll take a look at the living room, dining room, kitchen area, all in one. So here you have sofa, does pull out into a queen size sleeper sofa. And then down here, they have a couple of kind of ottoman / coffee tables, because what happens is these will lift up potentially and flip over. And well, there you have a coffee table. So that's definitely handy to have. They kind of roll around, it looks like. And they do also have here side table. And then this is actually the door. It's a lock-off door that goes over to the larger one bedroom. So large one bedroom has full kitchen, kind of full living room, dining room area as well. And then here you do have the television. Just a small TV because it's not really that big of a room. It does look like you can probably angle it at least a little bit, not too much. So it would face the sofa here. And over here you have kind of a dry bar. It's kind of in an odd place because it's behind this chair here and this lamp, but hey, maybe you can put something over there. I don't think there's any electrical outlets. There's one down behind the chair here, so you could plug some stuff in there. And then here you kind of have another little kind of side table with this chair, and I think over on the side of it, they kind of have it hidden, but down beside here, there's actually some exposed USB and power outlets. So really that just needs to be spun around. So those are kind of out to the front. You do have a telephone. And then over here, right off the living room area, well, you do have your dining room. You have a table and 4 chairs, and then just a small kitchen area here. Nice full-size dishwasher, no oven, but they do have a 2-burner cooktop, microwave up there, nice sink down here, coffee maker, knife set, all that kind of stuff. And I'm sure down in here, well, there's some kind of cooking and serving utensils. And then, well, there's a big 4-slice toaster and a blender, as well as a couple of additional utensils down here. It looks like a ladle and the thing for mashing potatoes. And then in the very bottom here, well, you do have a set of pots and pans. Up in the cupboard here, well, we're gonna find dinnerware and glassware, as well as utensils or cutlery for what looks to be 4 people. Yeah, so pretty much everything you need is here in the villa kitchen. Let's see if there's anything up here. Yeah, it looks like we have a colander, looks like a juicer, a pitcher, and a measuring cup. I doubt there's anything up in here. Nope, nothing up in there. But in here you do have a full-size refrigerator with a freezer and an ice maker that is currently turned off. So get that running as soon as we can. And then a refrigerator. Yeah, lots of room in the refrigerator here. Nice to have the top freezers. Now in the dining room here, you do have a couple of big windows. We're on the top floor. It is dark out, unfortunately, right now when I'm recording this. So I'll put some video over here, kind of just a little bit of a view out too. It's not gonna be a whole lot. Pretty much, probably a building next door. Might be able to see a tree. Might see a little bit of a lake. Not too sure, but we'll kind of overlay that. But up here, you do have some artwork. Heading down the hallway here towards the bathroom and bedroom, well, we do have a small closet. Not a whole lot going on in here. You do have a sweeper or vacuum, if you call it a vacuum, call it a sweeper. What do you call it? And we have an ironing board, and it looks like where you also find a laundry basket. And I always kind of never know that this is in here, but that's also where the waste basket is. I always have a hard time finding it and then remember, oh, yeah, it's in the closet. Now let's go in here and take a look at the bathroom. Just a small bathroom, single vanity, plenty of towels down there. Big bright lighted mirror up here, so that's definitely a big plus. They do have pump body lotion and hand wash, and this is actually not too bad. We use it, and they do give you a bar of soap there as well. And then over in here you do have plenty of towels, the toilet, and also a bathtub shower combination. And the bathtub is also jetted, which also makes it very tall off the ground. So just remember that, stepping in, stepping out, be very careful. But yeah, bathtub shower combination. We'll get panned up to the shower head here in just a second. Not really a whole lot to it. But yeah, that's that. And you do have your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner on the wall here. So now coming out of the bathroom, we're going to make a left-hand turn here into the bedroom. You do have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, exposed USB and power on this side. And I noticed over on the other side as well, along with the alarm clock. You do have a couple of lamps there on the nightstands as well. Some additional artwork, really neat headboard there. And again, big window here. Really can't see a whole lot out because, like I said, it's dark. Then over here, you do have a small television that's kind of actually set back a long way in kind of that cubby hole there. But it's on top of a chest of drawers. So if you want to store some clothes that you brought with you, well, you do have some storage there. Now let's take a look at the closet here. Not much going on in the closet. You know, you do have a luggage rack down there. You have some hangers. You have some extra bedding. And it's also where you're going to find the in-room safe. Now you're going to notice I'm not going to be showing you a patio, a balcony, a lanai, whatever you might call it, because these small one-bedroom units, these villas here, the standard, I guess you could call them, they do not have a balcony or a patio on them. So nothing to show you here, but if you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And if you want to see another video from here at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida, well, take a look at this video right here. Not sure what it'll be. Maybe it'll be a resort tour. Maybe it will be a review. But hey, head over there and check that out. Thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.